So this is a music hat, which is a beanie hat, but you can use this. Oh wow, I like that. That's a nice, I like the design that it's black, gray, black, gray, black, gray. Nice stripes. But yeah, this can connect with any Bluetooth device, so your MP3 player or your cell phone, and you can simply play your music if you're going for a walk. So this is going to be used for colder temperatures, and when you play the music, you hear it right in here because there are speakers in here, so you're going to hear it on both sides. And you got play, pause, plus and minus. You got a device in here, so this will charge your player, which right in here is the port, if you can see that. So if you go ahead and you use two hands, you can kind of see where it's at, just like there, and then you can go ahead, plug it in like that, and we can go ahead and charge it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Stay tuned. All right, so we are listening to music. I got my phone set up. To turn it on and off, you press the play button. So it's gonna be right here. You press, hold it. It will turn on, and then you can go ahead and listen to the music. So as you can see, it covers really well, completely. It's definitely nice. I like it. It fits great. Overall, I'm extremely happy with. Yeah, I definitely love this. The quality is good. The sound quality. Oh yeah, that's really good. I like that. I have not had any pairing issues, so that's a plus. But overall, I really like it. All right, let's power it off. So one thing I'll add, when you go to power it on, it will start pairing right away as long as your Bluetooth is enabled on whatever device. But yeah, it's really nice. I like it a lot. And the nice thing about it, it's not really tight fit. So even though you have this two speakers, it doesn't hurt your ears at all. So it's not like pressed hard against. So it's a loose fit, but it fits nice, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I really like this a lot. It definitely gets a good rating from me. I think I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 stars, which would be probably about a 7 to 7.5 out of 10 rating. So 4 stars out of 5. Very happy with it. Can't wait to test it out once it gets colder. Thank you so much for watching.